Hello friends, today in this video I can show you that how you can practice at your free times on your SCADA. Here I am making some examples for you. You can see here that I am making a building. On this building I have to be connected a lift, and these are the call buttons on the floors. When I have to press this button to call the lift will go on that particular floor, and these are the buttons present inside the lift. This is floor 1, floor 2, floor top floor, and this is ground floor. And here I am using some helicopters to show this as look like a city. And these are the roads, these are the moving cars, and these are the buildings. This is a tank that can supply the water to all the buildings in the cities. In this tank here the percentage of water level can show in this hash place, and this is full and this is empty. Here I have to write a script on which that when this tank will less or equal to 10%, then the filling will automatically starts, and when the tank will fill 100%, then the tank will start empty, and when the tank is below 10%, automatically the filling will start. So I can show you this script, Windows script. You can see here I have to use h is equals to 0, a is equals to 0, and t is equals to 0. T is the tag name for the tank, and h is for the uh, cars and helicopters, and a is for the uh, elevators. On show while show you can see here that codes. I will show you. In the first line you can see if h is less or equal to 74, then h equals to h plus 1. That means ki h is our helipad. When h is less than or equal to h plus 1, helicopter will moves, and all the cars and trucks are programmed just using this tag h. And you can see here t is for tank. This is the main program. When t double equal to 10, then tf, that means ki this is a toggle switch. When I have to I cannot show you toggle switch. I can take and make, when the program is complete I can delete this toggle switch when tf is equal to 1. And if tf double equal to 1, then t is equal to t plus 1. And if when t is greater or equal to 100, then tf is equal to 0, and te is the empty toggle switch, and tf is the tank full toggle switch. Okay, and here from here all the below, this is the elevator program I have to make. You can see here that this is the elevator program, and the complete program is look like just this. I can show you how can this work. I can go on run. You can see here that helicopter will fly and take off on the top of the building, and then again fly. The tank will starts filling. This is a filling. The filling process is very fast, and empty process is very slow. You can see here this will starts empty, cars will running and trucks will coming, etc. These are the buildings. Here the cars is coming and the outgoing 73, 72, 71. When we can press this lift, call this on this floor, the lift will go on that particular floor, and these are the switches present inside the lift. When I want to go on for fourth floor, then I can push this fourth floor, the lift will go on fourth floor. When I want to go on first floor, then simply press on first floor, the lift will come first floor and stop. You can see that the tank will empty below 10%, the filling will starts automatically. This is the smart city. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like.